Our next sustainable business from regional New South Wales is Cumulus Wines, a major operation which includes a 508-hectare estate at Molong near Orange, New South Wales, and a winery and bottling plant.
Cumulus Estate Wines is a high-elevation, handcrafted, cool climate winemaking facility. We produce and market our brands across 23 countries around the world, and we employ 47 staff at our vineyard and our winery. We have a 500-hectare vineyard and a 10,000-tonne crush capacity winery. Sustainability has always been important to the company. We're very conscious that we are in an agribusiness and that our future lies in how well we handle our environment. And so we invest greatly in that area, particularly in areas of water conservation, soil preservation, waste management, water control, at both the winery and at the vineyard. We see these as essential ingredients in having a sustainable business, not just for ourselves, but also for our customers and our consumers.
Most industries and business types contend with generalised views relating to energy and water consumption. Consumer perceptions are important in business terms. Winemaking is no exception. Cumulus senior winemaker Debbie Loritz describes the industry stereotypes and why reducing energy consumption is challenging, yet achievable for a winemaker.
There's a bit of an industry standard where people say it takes 4 litres of water to make 1 litre of wine, which I think is a crazy statistic which a lot of people, a lot of consumers and a lot of people in the public wouldn't realise. Water is used mainly in the winery to wash down equipment, to help sterilise tanks and presses and crushers, and it's not used as an additive in the wine, but it's used as an aid generally for cleaning and processing. And so that's something where a lot of people are looking now at trying to recapture that water and recycle it, or somehow filter it and reuse it back into other processes in the winery. Wineries are also big users of electricity, because we're always picking, our harvest is always in the summertime, so we pick in February, March, April, all the fruit comes to the winery. It's the hottest months of the year, and one of the big things in wineries is you've got fermentations going, you create a lot of heat, and often in modern winemaking you use refrigeration as one of your tools to control those ferments.
So what does the winemaking industry do to consider being more sustainable? Cumulus Wines embarked on becoming a member of NISBN Australia, a voluntary environmental assurance scheme that allows winemakers and wine grape growers to receive formal certification of their practices according to recognised standards. Cumulus viticulturalist Martin Gransden outlined sustainability changes that Cumulus Wines has been implementing, assisted by their NISBN partnership.
Some of the things we're doing multi-row spraying, so we're spraying 3 rows in one pass, so rather than going up and down every row, we're just going up 1 row in 3, so we're saving on soil compaction there, which is a big issue not a lot of people think about. We're doing a lot of vine mulching as well, under vine mulching, so that's really improving our soil structure and organic carbon levels in the soil. There's some adjoining areas on the vineyard that the company owns that has some remnant vegetation on there, and we're doing our utmost to have as minimal impact on that as we can with our operations. We've got 9 moisture monitoring probes out in the vineyard, so that's monitoring soil moisture at different levels. That gives us an idea of how much water we've put out, so we're not putting out more than we need to. We're also doing things multi-function technology, like we're trimming and slashing at the same time rather than just trimming and then going back and just slashing.
Other sustainability measures implemented at Cumulus include the capture and reuse of all wastewater to then irrigate crops. Grape pressings are composted back into the soil, as well as composting with local wheat stubble and cow manure. The growing of native grasses between the rows, which helps the soil structure and fixes the soil nitrogen. 100% drip irrigation, meaning 0.7 megalitres per hectare of water is used each year. Investment into water storage dam lining to minimise loss, and the use of minimal herbicides and fungicides. And Cumulus Wine's message to other businesses regarding sustainability:
Well, the importance of sustainability is very evident within our organisation, and we would encourage all producers across all regions to embrace sustainability practices because they will see a benefit not just internally but in the marketplace as well.